guys, come back again with me Hari from Indonesian Plants and Arcade Flowers. Today, January 2026, we are receiving a bunch package of new plants that came from our friends in Central Java. It's very unique plants because we think in 2026 it's gonna be a new hype. Did you guys what's the name of the plants? Yeah, it's a Hoya. So in 2026 we received a lot of new variety of Hoya, especially the Hoya that has been hybridized by the local breeder. So here we are in the process of unboxing some of the package. We already finished some and there are still another package that we will uncover new plants inside this box. And most of them are quite one of a kind. It's a new hybrid of Hoya. So in this video we will take you to see and do unboxing with us, because somehow unboxing some Hoya is quite easy but still challenging, because they have a lot of trail of roots like this and they have very small leaves. Sometimes they are very fragile. But yeah, one thing that I really noticed about these new kind of Hoya are they have a new kind of splash on their leaves, and somehow they have like shading black on the edge of the leaves. It's quite unique and I haven't found in other species. And of course we also would like to remind you guys that in February, maybe 30 days from now, it will be our big event on PlantCon 2026 in Los Angeles. So we will bring a lot of plants, including a lot of Hoya, and of course Natsurium and many other plants. With this video, we want to encourage everybody who see and saw this video to try, breed, and collect some new variety of Hoya that we will bring at the event. So guys, we'll try to start and do some unboxing video. So yeah, come join with us. Hey guys, so here we are now. We are already uncovered some new Hoya that we do some unboxing some moment ago. So here I am with my friend Iqbal. He will accompany me to explain and check this kind of Hoya, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's start maybe from the first spot, Bal. You can show it to the people there and tell me about their plants. We need to be really careful, right?
This is first hybrid. This is the Elliptica X Delicos Parte.
Elliptica and Delicos Parte.
Yes. This one is Hoya DR27.
DR27. I believe that is a code, right? What is that stands for?
Elliptica X Delicos Parte.
Okay. And the breeder, I believe the name is DR Front, guys. So in Indonesia we have one that's really very active to breed a lot of new Hoya, and some of them, and one of the biggest is Mr. Tufron, right?
Yes.
So all the plants here are Tufron hybrids.
Yes, of course. This all and this one too.
Still Tufron. So guys, these Hoya, even though they are not fully splashed, fully silver, and even not fully variegated, but this is a new kind of Hoya. Mr. Tufron dedicated himself and his time to breed new kind of Hoya. It is not an easy process, right? To breed new Hoya from one to another, right? Okay, maybe the next one. We have this Elliptica and Delicos Parte. Slowly, bro, slowly. It's very fragile.
This one and mixed by Elliptica X Caudata.
Okay, you can show it to the camera. Nice.
The code is DR59.
Elliptica X Caudata. So this Hoya, it has some splash on the leaves, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the Caudata are dominant, yeah? Character of these species. Yeah, I believe it has a really strong gene and very dominant of Calistophylla leaves. See, right? Calistophylla's characteristic is quite dominant on this TR04.
The next one is Hoya TR26. This stand for Elliptica X Clementiorum.
Oh, hybrid of Clementiorum.
This the next one, Elliptica X Clementiorum.
Nah, this is one of our favorites because Clementiorum is one of the strongest Hoya that we can send to the United States especially. And the leaves is really thick. And I think it's very beginner friendly. And now it has a new variety of hybrids. I really wonder what the flower will look like.
This is for Rex hybrid Hoya TR60. Verticillata X Uncinata.
Verticillata X Uncinata.
And next is Hoya TR60. This one Sulawesiana X Elliptica.
Wow, it's still Sulawesiana? It's really Indonesia hybrids. Yes. I really remember on 2025 we received a lot of requests of Sulawesiana. It's quite common and very affordable for everyone. So with this new species, I believe those who already have Sulawesiana will also have this new hybrid also. And still, it's quite interesting.
This is the last one Hoya TR50. This is English Hoya hybrid and hybrid again. So this is TR1. Hybrid with Hoya Tanggamus.
Oh, Tanggamus. It's very interesting. So these Tanggamus really have a very unique characteristic, which the bones in the back of the leaves, somehow it's dark and purple. It has also thick leaves, and these hybrids has a splash, right? Okay, so we finished the first box and uncover a lot of new variety of plants, and we still have a lot box to be open. And this one is also, I think, 6 spots inside it. And let's go do some unboxing of this package. Another Sulawesiana?
Yes, Sulawesiana.
It's from Central Java. Purworejo is the city name in Central Java, and yeah, it's a new hybrid. It's very interesting. Right here.
One.
I think that's a Calistophylla.
Yes, Calistophylla and Sypholia. The breeder name is Hoya TR2.
To front. So guys, to protect the plants and keep them intact in a box, they tied it like this with green rope here. So even though we put it downside or upside down, it won't be a problem.
This one only a code 065. Code, but I think this one I believe with Cilata. This one only a code ST, but this is a silver. This one a little space, but the other leaves.
And the last one is an Elliptica X Viteliana. Wow, it's just one, no, it's 2 leaves, but it's really strong too. You can see, right? Splash on the leaves, really nice. Alright, we're ready to finish boxing the plants. So we will continue the process to move and forward these plants to another sections, which will be prepared for the shipment on our schedule on 30 January. So guys, if you are also wanna send plants to United States, we are very welcome to help you, because we have services. Even though you are buying 1 or 2 plants, we still can send to your door, right?
Yes.
Yeah, if you have a wish list of plants,